In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call QuickBooks support in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a long-time user of QuickBooks or you're just getting started, knowing how to contact support is crucial for resolving any issues that might arise as you manage your finances. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps you'd take to connect with QuickBooks support. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to QuickBooks Online. This is where everything begins. Open up your web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for QuickBooks Online to be redirected there. Take a moment to ensure your internet connection is stable, as this will help streamline the process. Once you've arrived at the QuickBooks website, your next move is to head over to the top right corner of the homepage, where you'll find the sign in option. It's always a good idea to make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple businesses or accounts with QuickBooks. Now, to access your account, you'll need to input your email address and password. This is the same information you use for your QuickBooks account. If you're logging in from a public or shared device, remember the importance of your account security and avoid saving your password on those devices. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. This will take you directly to your QuickBooks Online dashboard, where you'll have access to various tools and features. Once you're signed in, look again towards the top right corner of your dashboard. Citing the word Help, this is your gateway to contacting support. Click on Help and it will open a menu with several different options for assisting you with your needs. After accessing the Help menu, navigate over to the Assistant tab. The Assistant is an incredibly useful feature, acting almost like a virtual support person that can guide you through various processes or address simple inquiries. Besides this, the occasional tips and tricks offered by the Assistant can be a real time saver. In the Assistant dialog box, you'll want to type out "I need to call the support team." This clear and direct request lets the system know your intention, guiding you swiftly to the next set of options. It's a great way to cut through any unnecessary steps and get straight to what you need. After entering your message, click on the Contact Support Team option. This will initiate the process of connecting you with the right QuickBooks specialists. Your experience may vary slightly depending on the time of day and the volume of requests they're handling, but generally QuickBooks provides efficient and helpful service. Now you'll have an option to chat with us. This option is particularly handy because it allows you to multitask and manage your business while communicating with a support agent in real time. It can be less intrusive and more suitable for some than making a phone call. Before you proceed, it's important to make sure you input your phone number. If further authentication is required, or if there's a need for the support team to transition the conversation to a phone call, having your correct contact information is critical. Enter your phone number carefully to avoid any hitches down the line. Next, click on Get a Chat. This action will formally place you in the queue to begin your support interaction. Patience is sometimes needed here while the system connects you with the next available representative. Still, rest assured this process is efficient and designed to get you help as promptly as possible. The final step in the process is simple. Clicking on OK confirms your request for chat support, and then it's just a matter of waiting. Depending on current traffic, you will soon be connected with a support agent who can address your issues and steer you towards a solution. There you have it, a straightforward approach to contacting QuickBooks support. The great thing about this process is that once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. QuickBooks is well aware of the importance of customer service, and they've streamlined their systems to serve you effectively. Thanks for tuning in today to learn how to call QuickBooks support in 5 minutes. I hope you found this guide useful, and feel free to refer back to this video whenever you need a quick refresher, or share it with others who might benefit from it as well. Remember, support is there to help you, so don't hesitate to reach out whenever you encounter any hiccups with your QuickBooks experience. Until next time, have a great day managing your finances with QuickBooks.